Hello, 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 and welcome to the world of photography. This is a picture I took some years ago. I took it actually out in my backyard. And of course, it features a bee that is moving in on the head of a thistle. And this is when the thistle is at its at its peak. You can almost see the pollen dripping off. And when in fact the flower is in this state, it really becomes like a bee frenzy where the bees just keep coming and going and coming and going and coming and going. The cool thing about all this is eventually, of course, once everything is pollinated, then the flower sort of goes away and things happen inside, and then the seed pod appears, and that's when the goldfinches appear to eat the seeds. But this picture um, it was done with a digital camera. I believe it was my Sony. Oh, I don't remember the model number now. Excuse me. um, I'm sure it was my Sony. I'm sure it was with a long lens to make sure that I did not disrupt the bees. And looking back on it, I suppose maybe I could have done it with a faster shutter time to get that wing more in focus. But if you have the little legs are good, the bee is good, the thistle is good, the colors I like, great, you know, um, powerful colors, green, pink, yellow, black, lovely, lovely, lovely. Anyway, this is a picture I took many years ago. I was just out in the backyard keeping an eye, and if I remember rightly, I did set the camera up on a tripod and took careful aim and waited for the bees. And sometimes, they come and they're just not in the best of positioning, but I like this. Anyway, this is one of the pictures. I was out in the garage recently and I found a whole bunch of um, 6x8 pictures that I got printed that I guess I just put them in the garage and put them on the shelf thinking, oh, yeah, I'm in a hurry, I'm in a rush, I'm in whatever, I'll get those later. But of course, it's been years. So there it is, the bee and the thistle. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.